All right, guess what I'm about to do? Canning time. I actually took off one of my gloves so I could show you guys what I've done. All the stuff that I had, I mixed it all together with some breadcrumbs and some seasoning and stuff, and it's gonna come out good. I just talked to my daughter, and she said yes, she's gonna help me to do the patties. This is gonna be fun. I took my gloves off, well, for a minute, just so I could show you guys how I do this. Once you get, well, I wish I had actually had a bigger bowl, but this is about as big as it gets. And once you do all that, you start kneading your meat, kind of like you knead bread, you know what I mean? Because sometimes like this, the egg will be all in one place, and you don't want that. So knead it up real good, pull it up from the bottom, see what's down there, move parts around. There you go, and just knead it down. Knead it down and bring it up. I have different kinds of peppers in here, orange, yellow, red, onions, purple onions actually, and seasoning. The seasoning is the bomb. I was going to put rice in it. Some people like rice, but I don't think my daughter really likes rice in her hamburgers though. I'm going to have to ask her, but, a piece of onion here. But that's just about how you do it. Just make sure when it starts looking dry kind of on the bottom. And I guess, let me see if you guys can see in here, if I can hold this up. There you go. Yeah, it's kind of dry on the bottom. That means you did it. You did it good. If you can see that, yeah. All right, so let me turn this camera off and start making. Oh yeah, all I have to, in fact, I'll do it now while you guys are here. All you got to do is take some of this. And what I like to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask my daughter to make one before I start canning these. And see, you take them and just roll them. This is kind of big. I want it to fit like a quart jar, a wide, because I have wide mouth quart jars. This might do it, you know, or you can even make them a little smaller because they're with the breadcrumbs in them. Oh, wow, I was way up here. I'm sorry. You can make them a little smaller, but with the breadcrumbs in them, they're going to rise up a little bit. So I think I'm going to make them just a tad smaller. Okay, make it a tad smaller. Press them down and then drop them down into your wide mouth quart. No water or nothing because meat makes its own juice. So in fact, with a wide mouth quart, I think I'm only going to try maybe 3 of these because 4 might boil over and I'll lose my seal. So I'll try with maybe 3 in each quart. Looks kind of good, huh? Can you see it? All right, so I will be back. All right, me and my daughter just got finished putting the hamburger patties in here that you saw earlier, and we only put like 5 because it's not cooked yet, and the grease is going to cook up. We put 5 in, and we left a lot at the top. Hopefully the grease won't break my seals. Okay, so we shall see. Wanted to get it up close so you guys can see. In fact, that's a better one. All right, here we go. Okay, everybody, our hamburgers are done. They're German hamburgers. And I'm going to take them out right now. They just got finished. They're done about... sorry about that. They were done about 10 minutes ago, and I let them sit out. So what I'm going to do now is take them out. And we will see how they came out. I hope you have good lighting. Let me see. Oh, wow, that really helps. Okay, anywho, here we go. That looks nice. They came out pretty good. And we didn't have much of it. I guess we could have put, the way it's looking, we might have been able to put a couple more in there. Let's see.
This is communism. This is somebody trying of the United States of America. Somebody should point out, hey, I don't know, setting buildings on fire.
Those cooks, the lids are trying to pop off.
Slabs at police officers and government agents.
I hope they seal, because those are brand new lids. Brand new jars, in fact. So, there we go. You see? There you are. And there is our hamburgers. The hamburgers my daughter and I've mixed it together, and she helped me to put them in a jar. We put them in a jar. What we did was we put some parchment paper in the bottom of the jar, and then we put a roll, like a ball of the meat in, and we put another piece of parchment paper over it, and we took our, where's an let me see. Okay, it's a little dirty, but I just used it. Hold on a minute, a minuto. There we go. So we took this, okay, a packer, this is for small mouth jar, and this is for a wide mouth jar, and we packed it down in each one. Then we put another piece of paper on it, put another ball in, put another piece of parchment paper on it, and packed it in, and that's how it turned out. Pretty nice. All right, so there you go. And I'm going to take a picture and get started on this video. Oh, check them out. They are still processing. Now to wait for them to seal. I think this one, these two sealed, and I think that one too. This one didn't and that one didn't. So we have 3 seals and 2 waiting to seal. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Can. Save your food. Put your meat up.